Hello folks from Playa de Malvarrosa in Valencia. We are approaching the sunset that will happen in half an hour. You see the sun? It is 7 p.m. right now, 30th of September, the last day for this month, and I am exploring Valencia, the third largest city in Spain. And I am blessed with great weather. It was up to 33 degrees today. Now it is a bit cooler, only 25. And I'm ready for another beach adventure here in Valencia, in the Mediterranean Sea. And this part of the sea is called the Balearic Sea. And this is my third beach for today. I started off at Playa de la Arenas, and then I continued to Playa de la Cabanyal, and now I'm at the most famous and popular beach in Valencia, Playa de la Malvarrosa. Rosa means pink. I think so. And you see the waves are in, and the sunset soon is gonna set. Amazing. It was quite crowded actually. I saw many people leaving just now, but during the day it was crowded, as it is also a weekend, a Saturday, so many local people here are enjoying the beach. As here there is Mediterranean climate and it is warm throughout most of the winter also as well. It doesn't get colder than 15 degrees Celsius here in winter. So yes, I am here in Valencia, so I'm taking a break from the Sweden beach adventures, and I'm showing you also my beach adventures from this weekend trip. So let's then take a swim and enjoy. Yes, so this is obviously the day one. I arrived around 2 p.m. so I'm a bit tired. I did some sightseeing, but I also wanted to check some beach adventures as well. So let's go! Look at that. Look at the sun. It's amazing. So beautiful. And actually, I mean, the coast is divided into several different beaches, but it is quite huge. It stretches all the way to those buildings over here, at the end that you can see on the horizon. Look at that. It's amazing. Amazing. Yes, so greetings from Playa de la Malvarrosa in Valencia, Spain, and make sure to tune in again tomorrow because I'm going to be showing you some more beaches here in the third largest capital of Spain, and that you can do by subscribing to my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.